Use vitamin E cream. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that works wonders on the skin. When taken either orally or administered topically, vitamin E has skin-enhancing properties. This is the reason it is often included as an active ingredient in many beauty products. It is a great moisturizer for the skin, especially when in a cream formulation. Here's how to use vitamin E cream. Assess the area that needs moisturization. Products containing vitamin E can be used just about anywhere on the body. Take a good look at your skin and see where you may need some extra help. If you notice some dryness on your face, then you need to find a facial cream or serum formulated to treat the skin on the face. You can also find products formulated specifically for hands and nails. There are also products for the body, oftentimes combined with aloe vera or cocoa butter. Purchase a tub or bottle of vitamin E cream. Based on where you will use the product, but what you need. Don't use products formulated for the body on your face. It may be too harsh for your delicate skin. Vitamin E creams can be purchased at pharmacies, grocery stores, and at beauty counters. Use it on your face. Vitamin E can help keep skin looking supple by preventing dryness and fine lines. Find a cream and use it twice a day, focusing on your forehead, eye area, and cheeks. Use the cream on your neck as well. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, so it helps prevent radical cell damage. Use it on your hands. Find a product that treats both hands and nails so you can have smooth hands. Use it after you take a bath or do chores around the home. Creams formulated for the hands have more emollients, so it is richer and thicker. You can also use the vitamin E cream on your feet, especially during the winter time when you may have dry, cracked skin. Rub it on your legs. Get a vitamin E cream or lotion and use it as an overall body moisturizer. Focus on your shins, knees, arms and elbows. Use it within 10 minutes of taking a bath so you can lock in the moisture. Use it to prevent stretch marks. If you're pregnant, get some vitamin E cream or a vitamin E cream with cocoa butter. Rub it on your belly at least twice a day. It will help keep your skin elastic and help prevent stretch marks. After giving birth, use it generously on your tummy, hips, thighs, and to keep your skin looking great. You can harness the wonderful properties of vitamin E by taking it in a gel capsule. Take a 400 mg capsule every day to see the improvement in your skin, nails, and hair. It also does wonders for keeping your heart and blood capillaries strong and healthy. You may also get vitamin E from your diet by consuming nuts such as pine nuts, almonds, and walnuts, sunflower oil, avocados and egg yolks.